Hey guys, today we have this 2024 Toyota Sienna. This is the hybrid, four-wheel drive, XLE hybrid, and they only have one smart key fob, and we're gonna program another one. All right, let's get started. Okay, with this one, what we need to have is using Autel IM508, and there will be a 30-pin connector that we're gonna be using. I did started buying one of these. This one is said for 30-pin, but this one has this plug for your OBD in between that and your scanner, and this only have one connector. So I ordered another one. I believe this is the right one, the OBD Star 30-pin, which is this one. So it's gonna connect under your glove box from here. So we're gonna go ahead and access that first. So actually we don't need to connect this one here. We're gonna connect this there and find and unplug it by the under the dash glove box and connect these two here. Let's go over there. All right, so under this glove box, there's a little cover here. So let's go ahead remove this. Let's see. All right, so it goes down. There's a clip here. You just clip it down here and then it will come off. From here, I think we can access it underneath. I'm gonna try to get that. Right, so once we remove this panel here, I'm just gonna reach down here. See that? This board there. We're gonna go ahead and access that. And there's pin on top. It's three of them. Let's see if I can get it there. The very top one. My finger will be here. I can go ahead disconnect this. There you go. I got it disconnected. So this wire here is disconnected. This one. So with this side, I'm gonna go ahead connect one on the end. This end here. Let's see. So this end will be connected here. There you go. And the other end will connect up to the board, the top one. Let's see if I can reach it. All right, so let's try to reach that one. I don't know if you can see my finger going up there. It goes all the way top. It should click. Make sure you got it click. See my finger up here? There you go, it clicks. And then now we're ready to go. Okay, now we're connected. Our OBD Star 30-pin is connected under the OBD and to our programmer. And this wire that we just connected all the way to down there under the glove box. Let's go ahead program this. So we have the working key and this is the non-working key fob. Let's go ahead go to emo, accept. Let's go ahead. We'll make sure it turn on the car. Go 1, then 2. See power on, both 2 of them. And let's go ahead. VIN auto detect. And you know it's on when all these accessories are on. So you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and do the hazard. Just in case. Let's go to Toyota right here. That's the VIN number 6397. Okay. Let's press OK. All right, smart key as you can see, 2003. Press OK. Let's go to control unit. This is the keyless system. What we're gonna do first is back up the emo data. This function used to back up EEPROM 22 smart key. Press yes. Ensure the network connection is good, so make sure your IM508 has a Wi-Fi connected, and turn the ignition off and turn the hazard lamp on and off once. So that's what it says. So turn the ignition off, make sure it's off, and then turn on the hazard once and off, then press OK. So we're gonna follow the procedure here. So this is the information, where's that to connect, on the top of that module box there. Press OK. Alright. There you go, it's reading the EEPROM data. And it's pretty quick, as you can see now. It's only been like 30 seconds, 60% already. So about a minute or less, you should be able to get all the EEPROM data. And we have to save it. Okay, Toyota bin, let's put 6397. I think it's 6397, isn't it? 6297. I think that's right. Okay, save. Oh, 6397, that's fine. As long as we are already succeeded, backup succeeded, okay? Then we're gonna go back. Now we can actually just turn on the car. Turn on 1, 32, everything is turned on. Then hazard light on. Make sure the hazard on. Go to control unit, keyless system, then we're gonna go add smart key. So this one, checking the pin, let's go ahead, start it. Performing. This key serves to learn keys. Please complete the step within a specific time. This function serves to learn the keys. So we're gonna learn the keys, okay? So I have the original working key right now, press OK. Turn on the ignition on, so it's on right now. That's the VIN number, okay. Press OK. VIN number, please check the correct VIN is okay, okay. Checking the pin, checking the network. Have you backed up the EEPROM? Yes, we did. Select the EEPROM data, press OK. So this one, click that one, press OK. Adding smart key, reading the pin. Succeeded. Learning the key. Keep this one, the learn one, put it here. We hear the beep, one beep. And then let's put the one we need to be learned. We put it back here. You hear the 2 beep. That's it. Learning succeeded. Okay. That should be done, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and check it. Escape. Escape. Let's go ahead. Turn off the vehicle. So this is the original one. Let's see. See that? Locks and unlock. That's the original one. So let's try the one we just programmed. There you go. It does lock and unlock. So now we're gonna go ahead, try if it starts the car. All right. Let's go ahead, close the door and pull this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just close that door. All right. So I disconnected the cable that we have here. We know the original works, unlocks and locked it. So you can see this is the original one, and we're gonna do the one we just programmed. Lock and unlock. So let's go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna put the move that out. Let's try the one we just program. Let's close the door, just leave it here, and press the brake pedal, try to start it. So that started. This is hybrid, you can't even hear if it's running or not, so let's try to put it in reverse. That thing works. That thing works. So let's go forward. That's a running car. So let's go ahead and turn it off. You can go ahead. Of course, I'm gonna try the original too, if it's working. But try this one. Hold this one. There you go. That one open, and the other one. Let's see if the other one open too. That one's open. It's pretty good. And let's try to close this one. And then close the other side. The other one is closing, which is good. Let's try to open the rear. Make sure it's working. So that one is working. And let's try to close it again. There you go. That one's closing. This is working perfectly. This is the one we just programmed. And of course, we're gonna try the one we already the original one. Make sure that it still works properly. So let's go ahead. We're here. Start the car. I think that started. Put it in reverse. That one works. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. This is like for a 2022, 23, 24 Sienna and other the new system for the Toyota using the 30 pin and with our IM508. Thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.